Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 best portable air conditioner. Starting at number 5. SereneLife SLPAC 8 Portable. The SereneLife SLPAC 10 earns its status as the best affordable portable air conditioner, thanks to its moderately powerful cooling abilities and its overall versatility. Not only does the SereneLife SLPAC 10 operate as a simple air conditioner, but it can be used as a circulating fan and a dehumidifier. It comes in a variety of capacities from 8,000 BTU to 12,000 BTU. This particular model is rated for 10,000 BTU Aire. Aire trademark S able to keep rooms up to about 270 square feet, cool with an airflow of 290 cubic meters per hour. The SereneLife stands just under 3 feet tall and has a 17 x 13 inch footprint. It has easy rolling casters, though, and the sides are easy to grip, making it a cinch to move around the house. Aire trademark T expect it to be the quietest air conditioner on the market. Aire, with a rated noise level around 57 dB, it can seem louder in actual operation, sometimes whining like a vacuum cleaner. Nonetheless, Aire trademark S fairly compact and comes with a remote so you can operate it from across the room, though there Aire trademark S also a simple control panel on the top of the unit as well. Coming at number 4. EvaPolar EvaChill EV. Simultaneously cools, humidifies, and purifies. Night light. EvaPolar Aire trademark S EvaChill is an evaporative cooler, meaning it pulls air through a moist environment to lower the temperature instead of using refrigerants. While generally less efficient than traditional air conditioners, this pint-sized gadget is ideal for small spaces. While it can Aire trademark T efficiently cool an entire room, Aire trademark S more than capable of tackling a roughly 21 square foot area around the device, such as a workspace. In fact, its night light feature, plus the fact it does double duty by cooling and humidifying, makes it suitable for your sleep space. The EvaChill is incredibly small. Aire, 7 x 7 by 7 inches and weighs just 1.7 pounds. Aire, so it will fit easily on a tabletop or desk. Plus, its oversized tank allows it to run continuously for 4 to 6 hours. Aire trademark S powered by a USB cable, which again makes it a smart cooling solution for a home office or bedroom. If you Aire trademark re only concerned about keeping your personal space cool rather than the entire room Aire, and you want a cooler that looks like it belongs on a spaceship Aire, this unit is a tremendous value. Plus, this unit comes in 3 colors: ocean blue, white and gray. At number 3. Whynter Arc 14S. Have a large space Aire trademark re trying to cool? The Whynter Arc 14S dual hose portable air conditioner is near the top end of what portable AC units can do. That said, you should probably be sure you need this much air conditioning before you invest in the Arc 14S. Aire trademark S a bit of an investment, weighs a formidable 80 pounds, and the lack of handles makes it challenging to move on anything but smooth flat surfaces. However, this unit means business. Unlike most portable air conditioners, this is a dual hose model, with one hose serving as an input and the other as an output. That makes it more efficient and better able to cool your space without unintentionally sucking more warm air into your room. It has an impressive 14,000 BTU Aire that can cool a 600 square foot room with ease, moving 253 cubic feet per minute. In fact, you Aire trademark D be hard-pressed to find a portable unit able to cool a room faster. Number 2 of my list. BLACK+DECKER Pack 10 WT. While you don't Aire trademark T want an underpowered air conditioner, you also don't Aire trademark T want that delivers too many BTUs is wasteful. With 10,000 BTU Aire, this model from BLACK+DECKER is perfect to small rooms up to about 250 square feet, though it performs best in spaces around 150 square feet. Along with air conditioning capabilities, this unit also functions as a fan and dehumidifier. Plus, its bucket-less design evaporates condensation from the air conditioner, meaning maintenance could Aire trademark T be simpler. Pretty much the only thing you need to do regularly is clean the filter about twice a month. And number 1. Whynter Arc 122DS. While Euro trademark LL find the slightly larger Whynter Arc 14S elsewhere on this list, the Whynter Elite Arc 122DS earns its place as the best overall portable air conditioner by providing most of the same capabilities, at a lower price point. With the 12,000 BTU Aire, this cooling engine can handle rooms up to 400 square feet and has 3 operating modes: cooling, fan only and dehumidifier only. Unlike most units in this price range, this is a dual hose system. One hose serves as an input and the other as an exhaust, which makes it run more efficiently by cooling a room without drawing in warm air. While it has an automatic drain to clear out accumulated moisture, many reviewers suggest getting a drain hose, especially if you live in a humid area. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.